How to log out of Raid Shadow Legends. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to log out in Raid Shadow Legends game. To log out of your game on Raid Shadow Legends is super easy. Launch open the Raid Shadow Legends game and make sure you are inside this lobby screen. Once you're in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner and from the menu, select Plarium ID on the left. Now, if you have logged in using your Plarium ID, then you will be able to see this logout button at the bottom right corner. Tap on that in order to log out of your Raid Shadow Legends account. If you have logged in with any other devices, go look for the logout button and simply select that in order to sign out. So that way you will be able to sign out of Raid Shadow Legends using your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.